Hello guys, good morning everyone. Hope you guys are doing great. I'm also doing great here. Now I'm here at the Consuelo port of Comoros Island, and here as you can see, uh, too much hot here, so that's why I'm here under the tree. And I can see here the one boat is very old. It's being a soil. Can see here, I don't know how many years old this one. So guys, I parked over here, the aerox. So alright guys, I'm now heading from Consuelo. It's a really sunny day. It's nice weather. When I used to ride this way, I always see this one. Very nice art. The road is very nice. Oh, cycling. I saw here people, so many people are love to cycling. That's really good for health. And most of the Filipinos are wearing, you can see front, that kind of t-shirt. I think that's not so in it, not so hot. What is that? It's so noisy. Are they strapped? Oh, it's really feeling so good to ride. This is the one way. Keep right. I would love to go by this way. I don't know where to reach this one. People are doing here agriculture. Maybe they're going to plant something here, and I can see the corn is already dry. Maybe they are gonna take this one after 2 days. I think this one looks like peanuts. Oh, the kid is riding. Here I can see so many kids are riding, you know. If I see the kids, I think 10 years old, 14 years old kids are riding bike, which is very cool. Good afternoon, sir. Sir, is this road goes to Calvario? Calvario.
No.
That way? From there. Okay. Thank you. Salamat. Sorry? Calvario. Calvario. Not this way. That way. A little bit go then. But okay. Thank you so much. I think this one is the maybe looks like sweet potatoes. Salamat, sir. Finally, I got same road. I can see here small markets. Here is blind curve, so it's not possible to overtake here. It's too high risky. So I'm almost here at San Francisco off Camotes Island. So this area is the heart of this Camotes Island. People are used to come here and buy everything, whatever you want. You can find here. It's small, but you know, we can find anything here. This is so cute. I think parents and their sitting kids. Looks so cute. I need to buy something over there. Fish. I think I'm gonna buy fish. So I'll go first market. Like this, I think okay, maybe. I'll put here this one. I cannot live here. This is the biggest market of this island. You can see there's meat, so many people, and this is fruit section, and that one is vegetable section, and this one is meat section. And pila per kilo? Pila? How much is that? How much is that? 220 per kilo. Can I have 1 kilo, please? Yeah. Salamat. I think they are putting this kind of things all on the motor, and I think they get each 5 peso. It's also nice business, because you know here in Philippines very hot. So if you put outside only 5 minutes, your motor seat is very heat and you cannot sit properly. I forgot to wear the gloves. I felt like it's uncomfortable. What am I missing? So I something happened there? Maybe some got problem of that Jeep. This is really nice for small business purpose, this kind of motor. Good afternoon, sir. License? I do not have, sir. I'm just processing the RC, so I'm still tourist. So I'm doing maybe I'll go to next month to get RC. After that I can make.
Let's consider you process license.
Yeah, I'll do, sir. Thank you so much. Salamat. Asking me about the driving license, but still I have a tourist visa
And I can't make driving license after I get residence card, so I told the officer, so he let me go. I know it's against the rules of traffic rules, but I don't have choice. Anyway, thank you so much, officer. They're really kind gentlemen.
Whoa. Yeah. Whoa. I think they are the friends, maybe. Very chilling. 4 car, very small. I don't think so. They are more than. They are not more than 2 months old. You can see the hill. Last time I went there, I ride the downhill from there. It was damn bad road, but that road is really perfect for dirt bike. But with this aerox, it's not so good. But I made it. I'm so happy for that. Alone, like very scary in the jungle, and downhill, very slow, and lots of gravel and lots of booze. It was pure adventure. But anyway, I enjoyed a lot. Sometimes we have to face adventure, that moments make us very proudful. Oh, my amigos are here. Amigo, everything all right? Nothing happens. Okay, the air is good. The one thing, after we ride, we have to check everything. So alright guys, I'm finally at home, and it was a good ride. And I got a checkpoint over there, and the police are very gentlemen. I didn't have license, but I'm still here tourist, so I'm applying the for residence. And when I get residence, so I'm gonna plan to have license. So I told to them all things, and they just let me go. They are really kind. They are very gentlemen. Anyway, it's really thank you so much, and thank you so much for watching my video.